Dear Mom and Dad, you're mad, I get it. But repeating 5th grade? On Earth? Slugs on Klexar 8 knew that the bottom was about to fall out of the glazulite market.
You see, I told you it was a lousy investment. Sorry, Slugfish. We can't pay your school fees. You're gonna have to. Fermina 12. Our contract. Lava phone. Run out!
Fermina 12? What are you gonna do?
Easy. We hack into the computer and we pay off my school fees. I'll create a diversion by zapping the school east wing with a biomolecular beam. The alarm goes off, so while Grace leaves her office, you and Pete crawl through the ceiling vents to...
Emma, in what realm of your imagination does Pete fit in a ceiling vent? I've got a better idea.
Oh, you poor dear. Where does it hurt?
There's an access code. This could take hours.
Wait. Oh, berserk me! I did it!
You did it all right. Your school fees are now $2,518,403,612.3.
Come on! Grace has gone to get help for my burst appendix. She'll be back any minute.
There's only one answer. You gotta get a job. Go see the boss over there. He must need an efficient, friendly, smiling waitress on his staff.
Okay, so we agree. I never serve pizzas with cheese. It's an allergy thing. I get a 20-minute break every hour, 3 weeks leave per month, and an assistant to carry the dishes. It's always the same. Mention stock options and you're out on your flippers.
Hey, you don't have to be a waitress. Think big. I mean, you could mow lawns. Or wash cars. Babysit.
Are you kidding? Human larvae drink milk, and in case you've forgotten, I'm allergic to the stuff.
Emma, you're saved. Elderly lady seeks responsible young person for dog sitting.
Hold it there. We can't keep pets at school.
It's him or Fermina 12. Besides, it's just a dog. How hard can it be?
Why, looks like he's adopted you already.
He must sense that I love animals.
I see I don't need to ask for your references. I'll run and get his things.
Will you get off of me? Okay, you asked for it.
Ooh. Incredible! You even got him to be quiet. Here's his leash.
Right, I'll be going. Don't want him to catch cold. See you tomorrow, Mrs. Hubble.
Wait, you forgot his flea collar.
Not only does this pathetic quadruped fleece, but he eats more than an Aldabarian Goblosaurus.
How did you sneak this beast in without the janitor spotting you?
Transfusional hypnosis? I made him believe he heard elephants stampeding. He went straight to the school nurse.
Hear that? Four Eyes must be barking at herself in the mirror.
Let's get out of here. I bet she has fleas, too. Come back, you short-sighted quadruped! Degenerate humans, why can't you be spongy like everybody else? It's plastic! Four Eyes, what are you doing here?
Come to think of it, what are we doing here?
I'm studying my anatomy.
What are you hiding? Hey, it's a dog! I knew it! I heard it barking. They don't allow dogs at school. Except for you, of course.
A dog? Where? Oh, this? Oh, you mean this? No, it's just an old family pet we had stuffed. Do you want it?
Roland! Don't just stand there! Four Eyes has a dog! Let's go get her and her flea-ridden little friend kicked out of this place.
Never there when you need them. Oh.
Did you not miss the game? We're so honest.
All right, well, let's just see.
Sorry, Poochie Poo, but I'm afraid it's time for you to go.
Emma? Emma? Are you in there?
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, can't even sleep in peace around here.
See? Nothing here but Emma. You kids must be overworked, hearing imaginary dogs. Yeah.
Pure essence of Poochie Poo. At least it's his DNA, 99.9% pure. Using your powers, Emma, we can try to reconstitute him completely and return him to Mrs. Hubble.
Poochie Poo? Is that you, Poochie Poo? He doesn't look so good, huh?
Actually, he looks delicious. That's not Poochie Poo. It's a clapazon from Gudgel 8. My parents eat them for dinner most nights. Some DNA work.
Science is all about trial and error. Emphasis on error. Mrs. Hubble will never bite at this thing as Poochie Poo. Time for Plan B. Adopt a dog from the pound.
And what's your name, huh? And which end is your head?
Pete, you take care of your new buddy, but don't let it come in contact with water. Pete, that's the wrong end. You wait here. This'll be easy.
You sure?
No time to explain!
Couldn't you find anything more like Poochie Poo?
Please, this thing is close enough. Look, it's got the same leash.
Ugh.
Good boy. Good little clapazon. Ah!
What is that horrible thing?
That's the leash from Emma's mutt.
They've carried out some monstrous experiment on the dog!
Clapo is not monstrous. You'll hurt his feelings. It's not his fault he's a little...
What are you telling me? That this thing is a dog?
No water!
Well, this is quite unexpected. While I'm all for a good practical joke, I'm afraid that the practical thing to do is for you two to clean this mess up. Now!
With luck and the thickness of Mrs. Hubble's glasses, she'll never tell the difference from Poochie Poo.
Poochie Poo? You're alive! Hey! Hey! Stop it!
Hey there, Slugfish! Here's a new lamp since yours blew up during the transfer. How did you get the idea to swap that flea-ridden dog for our dinner?
You know what? That dog's fleas invaded the whole planet. Worse than a berserk invasion. My glazulite stock went through the roof. Kills parasites stone dead. We're rich again. Rich! Your entire school year is paid for. But where is Emma?
She could at least have cleaned her room.
Hear that, Poochie Poo? Emma is saved!
Poochie Poo, safe and sound, Mrs. Hubble.
Poochie Poo, my little darling. You've put on weight, you naughty boy.
Emma, I found him! Emma, I found him! He's alive!
Poochie Poo? But I don't understand. What's going on?
Well, the thing is, Poochie Poo had a sister. They were separated at birth.
But when they saw each other, they recognized each other right away!
And it's like they'd never been apart.
Oh, she's so sweet. Oh, Emma, you are a darling.
And the best part is, I've decided not to charge you double. 2 dogs for the price of 1. Hey, guys! Could you do my room when you're through? It's full of dog hair. How about pizza on me, guys?
Hey, this is Clappo's DNA! We could do something with it! I never had time to teach him to sit or wag his tail or... Hey!